Greetings, children. I would like to welcome you to the first episode of chapter Electricity. Today, we'll study about the advantages and the disadvantages of series and parallel combination of resistors and why parallel combination of resistors is preferred over series in household circuits. Before moving further, let's recall few facts. As you all know that a resistor is an electrical component that provides resistance in an electric circuit. It is used to control the amount of current in an electric circuit according to the requirement of a particular appliance. Now the question arises, what will happen if instead of one resistor we use many? Now here comes the equivalent resistance or the total resistance. The total resistance of a combination of resistors depends on both their individual values and how they are connected, whether in series or in parallel. Let's compare the two. Now, when we call the combination of resistors as the series or the parallel one, the current that flows in a series circuit has to flow through every component in the circuit. Therefore, all the components in a series connection carry the same current. Individual resistors in series do not get the total source voltage, but it divides. And if we know the formula, it is clear from that in case of series combination, the total resistance in the circuit is equal to sum of the individual resistances. And because of all these facts, if one electrical appliance stops working due to some defect in a series combination, then all the other appliances would stop working. Other than this, all the electrical appliances have only one switch due to which they cannot be turned on and off separately. All the appliances do not get the same voltage as the voltage gets divided in series combination. The equivalent resistance increases too much, due to which the amount of current flowing becomes very small in case of series combination. Now what happens when resistors are in parallel combination? Resistors are said to be in parallel combination when each resistor is connected directly to the voltage source by connecting wires having negligible resistance. Each resistor in parallel has the same voltage as the source applied to it. That means voltage is constant in parallel circuit. Parallel resistors do not get the total current, but they divide it depending on the value of each resistor and the number of total resistors in a circuit. Total resistance in a parallel circuit is equal to the sum of the inverse of individual resistances, and this is clear from the formula. Now, here we have reached a conclusion that why parallel combination is normally used in our homes for connecting the bulbs and the other household appliances, because each appliance can have a separate switch which can be turned on and off as per their requirement. Even if one of the electrical appliances stops working due to some defect, all the other appliances work fine. each electrical appliance gets the same voltage as the power supply line. Since the overall resistance of the circuit decreases, so the devices can draw much more current in case of parallel combination as compared to the series combination. That's why parallel combination of resistors is preferred over series in case of household circuits. I hope you understood this. Thank you very much.